Hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing a Pinko bag. If you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, like today, authentic, I DIY, compare bags to review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. Pinko bag. Oh, here it is. This is my first Pinko bag. I thought I'd give it a try because they look so cute and they're not like super expensive. It's a designer bag and let's give it an open. It was shipped from Italy and it just came in a box. Opened the box up and it was a plastic. It's just in a plastic bag. Let's see. Here is the dust bag. It's really adorable. And I ended up purchasing this cute, cloudy, so super soft Pinko white bag in silver hardware. So there it is. Pinko logo. And oh my gosh, she smells so good. Like nice leather smells. It has one leather strap here, and it's just one. It's double chained and it has Pinko on the hardware, as you can see. And in the back has a cute little Pinko embroidery there, and the stitching is just like nice little diagonal stitches, and it's nice fluffy I don't have time to say fluffy, but it's really cute and cloudy type of bag. You open it up and there's the closure, and it just kind of like, I think it's magnetic, and it just kind of fastens like that, where it locks in so it doesn't open. Side, it's just one fluff bag. Looks like a cloud. That's why I was attracted to this bag, because it's kind of cloudy looking. And there is the inside. It has Pinko there. It kind of gives me that Kurt Geiger look, but it's not Kurt Geiger. And it has like 3 pockets. Oh, there's a pocket here, sorry, my bad. And a zip pocket in the middle and another compartment there. It's pretty big. And here is the zip. Really nice and smooth. And here is the tags. It was on sale for $300. There's the Pinko tag. And inside, it does have some kind of like number. You can see that. It's right there. And it's just a really cute bag. Honestly, I love it. And I'm into my white Birkenstocks right now. I have these white Birkenstocks that are so comfortable, and I just think this would be a perfect, cute bag. Why not? Let's see what fits in this bag, just to give you an idea. So this is my personal cell phone. I'll put it in the pocket. On A+, which is my work cell phone. And I just stuff it somewhere in there. My Dior makeup bag, which has like my lippy, has pretty much everything, like a comb, a file. You can see how big it is. I do have antibacterial gel in here. Fine, I'll show you. You know, a monthly thing. If I need like a cable, I have it here. Eye drops. Just pretty much a lot of little things. A mirror, comb, file, lippy, just things that, and it still has a lot of room, so let's just put it in here. Just put it here in the back pocket, and then I have a wallet. That's pretty much what I use. Basically open our door using our cell phones, and then of course our Teslas is just a card or a cell phone. So we don't really have many keys, and my keys fit in here, so I would just put it in there. Let's just close her up, and she's good to go. All big and chunky. She fits a lot of stuff, and I don't know, I like that pillow look. Kind of reminds me still of my Chanel 19 bag, but silver hardware and just more white. Like, I don't know, I'm into this whole like super white bright color. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.